In this video, we're going to create a simple stunning flyer in CorelDraw. In our previous tutorial, we stopped at zoom tool and the pan tool. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about freehand tool, bezier tool, and pen tool. Freehand tool. Freehand tool is used to draw a straight line. If you want the line to be straight, just hold the control key. So when you hold the control key, the line is going to be in a straight line. If you want to join another line from here, just click this node. You're going to join another line from there. So this is how to use freehand tool. So have you seen it now? I've drawn a shape here. So with freehand tool. So this is how to use freehand tool. It's used to draw a straight line, and also it is used to draw an object. Bezier tool. Bezier tool is also similar to pen tool. The only difference is that it will not show you the hidden line that signifies that is your next destination node. So just like now, I selected here. So when I want to select it now, it's going to draw the line immediately without showing me the next destination node. So that's it. So this is how to use Bezier tool. So Bezier tool is similar to pen tool. So now let's go to pen tool. This is pen tool. Pen tool is showing me the line that shows the next destination node. So this is how to use a pen tool. This is how to use pen tool in CorelDraw. Without wasting much of our time, let's head to the main subject of this tutorial, which is the flyer I'm talking about. Okay, to design this flyer now, we're gonna need a rectangle. If you want to insert an object to fit this workspace, what you will do is that you double click on this rectangle. When I double click on this rectangle now, it's going to insert the object inside this workspace. So right now I don't need the full A4 because this is in A4 already. So what I will do is that I will hold shift and then drag it down a little bit. So when I drag it down a little bit, I'm gonna remove the outline. I don't need the outline. I need this color. This is my color for this project. This is the third color I'm gonna use in this project now. I will copy this color and paste it here. So have you seen it now? I will copy this color and paste it here. I've already removed the background of this image, so there is no need to remove the background of this image again. So this is the write-up for this flyer. So I'm gonna need this one now. So let me cut it out and put it here. Power clip it inside. I'm gonna use transparency tool. the help of shape 2, I'm going to give it a border radius just like this, and give it a white outline. So right now I will increase the outline by selecting here. 2 is okay. Let me bring it closer. I will duplicate it right now. Do this side white. I think it's okay like this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So right now this right top is gonna be here. Check for fonts. The font I'm gonna use here, let me use brush strokes for this one. I'm using Fuchsia here. This one also I'm gonna use Fuchsia here. Let me pick this background. Okay, now I'm going to apply shadow here. So that's it, guys. This is how to create a simple stunning flyer in CorelDraw. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please comment below. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be watching more awesome designs. Thank you.